Can a woman shake hands with a man?
Under certain circumstances, yes, she can.
Okay, so
I have, to be honest with you, I have. In the past, I have. Where I have had to, then I have.
all right. So if I visited you in Zimbabwe, you will shake my hand?
Well, if you see my big beard and you extend your hand to me, who knows? I may shake it. I don't know at the time. I don't, because yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'm not going to make you feel awkward and upset and so on.
My brother, don't be a coward. My sister, it is a sign of your own weakness, because you are supposed to be so powerful in your mind and your knowledge that you know what I have is so convincing. When I talk to them 2 times, 3 times, at least they will acknowledge that we are good people. Even the staunchest non-Muslims who dislike Islam, they will have to nod their heads and say, well done, it's a good religion. I acknowledge you guys have some good teachings. Isn't it about time we did that?
Is it okay to be a homosexual?
If a person wants to be, they're free to be a homosexual. If they don't want to be, they're free not to be a homosexual. I personally am not homosexual, but I have interacted with so many people who are homosexual. They get along with me just like people who are Jewish and Christian, and those who don't have a religion, and so many other people, Hindus and so many more. Recently, I have more people who have told me, you know what, I am actually homosexual, and so on.
Well done.
So, with all due respect to the animals, they are worse than those animals. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Lut alayhi salam looked at his people and he said, قَالَ إِنِّي لِعَمَلِكُم مِّنَ الْقَالِينَ O my people, I disassociate myself completely from whatever you are doing. I am not a part of you, and I will never engage in this, nor will I ever condone it. And I want to make it clear that I oppose you very strongly, and I'm warning you of a severe punishment to come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
أتأمرون الناس بالبر وتنسون أنفسكم وأنتم تتلون الكتاب أفلا تعقلون.
As much as I wouldn't like to address the matter, I have to. Okay? Let me explain something. It's not an issue of Wahhabi, non-Wahhabi, what. People have been here for years on end. Take the good from all of them and leave the bad. I have so much of goodness to share with the world that I don't have time to worry about others. Come on, come on. I'm busy doing my work. So many people send me messages, oh, someone called you a Wahhabi, someone called you a Sufi, someone said you're a Salafi, someone said you're a Deobandi, someone said you're a Barelvi. But all these names, for me, I say, hey, look, even if you belong to one group, it doesn't mean that there is a Christian across the road so they cannot teach you something good. I have had people who taught me mathematics and geography and biology and sociology and English language who were Jews and Christians and Hindus and people who belong to other faiths. I took from them whatever I had to and I left whatever I didn't. You follow what I'm saying? Take the good from everyone and leave that which is not good, no matter where it's from.
How do you know the good that you think is good is good? It might be bad. And if you open that door like that to the awam, to the general public, then that means you take from anyone.
Take the good from all of them and leave the bad. You follow what I'm saying? Take the good from all of them and leave the bad. You follow what I'm saying? Take the good from all of them and leave the bad. You follow what I'm saying? Take the good from all of them and leave the bad. You follow what I'm saying?
All I'm doing is I'm just serving. We're busy working hard to give them Quran and Sunnah.
Isn't it about time we did that?
Sister Inge Stoiber, I greet you with the greeting of peace, love, goodness, kindness, serenity, calmness, tranquility, respect, and tolerance. I was shocked to find out just from a journalist that I've been placed on a hate preachers list.